Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. For today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to make your very own fusible patches. I love these patches. They bring me back to my days as a Girl Scout, earning badges for all sorts of things. These patches can be made in all shapes and sizes and adhered to almost anything. You can fuse them on with HeatnBond Ultra or opt for sewing them on with or without HeatnBond. So let's begin. Start by fusing the crapped extra firm interfacing to the wrong side of your background fabric. Next, fuse your design fabric to HeatnBond Lite. You can also use HeatnBond Ultra for a no-sew application. Once your design fabric is fused, cut out your shapes. This project also works great with all the HeatnBond Lite scraps you might have from other projects. Next, fuse your design to your background fabric. You'll want to leave plenty of space around the edge for the final satin stitching of the patch. With your design in place, you will then need to applique using your preferred method. For the strawberry patch, I did a satin stitch around all the edges, but you can do a blanket stitch or use the HeatnBond Ultra for a no-sew option. Once your design is sewn on, draw the outer shape that you want the patch to be. You will then need to sew a satin stitch around that shape. Before we cut out our patch, we need to fuse HeatnBond Ultra to the back. If you are going to sew your patches on, you can skip this step, or use HeatnBond Lite for a temporary adhesive. Next, cut out your patch really close to the satin stitching. Be careful not to cut through any of your stitches. Finally, add some Spray and Bond fabric stiffener spray to the edges of your patch. This can help prevent any fraying.